Hi folks, and welcome to a new video. My name is Jacopo, and I'm one of the founders of Dokin. Dokin is a solution for your Google Workspace that allows you to sync business applications into your Google Sheets, your Google Slides, and your Google Docs. You get real-time data at any given point across all of your applications. So first things first, you want to go to dokin.co, try for free. We offer a 15-day free trial of our add-on. And after that, you can choose whether to upgrade or remain in the free version. Alternatively, in your Google Sheets, Google Slides, or Google Docs, you can go to the extension tabs, click on add-ons, get add-ons, and then type for Dokin. Once you have found that, you can click on install, and Dokin is going to be available for all your applications in Google Workspace. To launch it, you just need to click on extensions, find Dokin, and click on start. It will appear as a sidebar. And it's going to be your go-to application to sync data from business apps like HubSpot, Airtable, Notion, Readable, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, LinkedIn Ads, etc., etc., etc. We add new integrations every month. In this example right here, I have a Google Sheets, and I have synced live data coming from my HubSpot CRM. So I want to evaluate my pipeline. And I also have data coming from my Google Analytics. So I just wanted to see event name for the last, my events on my webpage for the last 7 days. I'm just going to show you how this basically works. To connect your data, you just simply need to click on Connect New Data. And you can select an app, for example, Airtable, and sync your account. Once you have synced your account, you can choose a specific table or base of data that you want to import, and then a specific table, for example, since we're talking about Airtable, and you can add filters. So in this case, I have an employees base. I have a bunch of fields that I could choose to import or not, and I could add some filters. So let's say that I only want employees that are not in the department of R&D, so non-tech people. I could do department is not equal to research and development. And once I have done that, I could add some sorting of my data, name my import, call it employees base, and set up a frequency for my auto refresh. So I can establish that the syncing of data between my Google Sheets and my Airtable should happen every week on a Monday at, let's say, 9 a.m. Now that I have this, I can click on connect, and the data is going to be directly connected between my Airtable and my Google Sheets. So as you can see, Dokin is doing the work, and it has already created a new tab called Employees, where I'm importing all the list of my new employees. And this is staying synced at any given point, and it's going to refresh automatically on a weekly basis. So alternatively, what I could have done is also pull my data coming from Airtable or another application directly in my presentation and insert the content of specific tables or specific databases directly into my presentation text or in my docs text. Now, something else that I want to show you is how you can sync live data between your spreadsheet and your presentation. So here, as you can see, I've pulled some GA4 information into my spreadsheet, and then I have connected this spreadsheet to this presentation. So here, as you can see, I have inserted data relating to my GA4, and that is stocked right here in my spreadsheet. So I could insert my GA4 variables right into my text. For example, here I'm looking at first-time visitors. So I want to see my active users and my first-time visitors. So this should be right here, first visits, and click on insert. And now all this data is going to be automatically synced with my spreadsheet, meaning that when this data is going to change, since I have set up an automatic refresh on a weekly basis, both my presentation and my spreadsheet are going to be always up to date with the latest version of my data in Google Analytics. So this was a very quick overview of what Dokin can do. Try it for free and leave us a comment and tell us what you think. Thanks.